Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally figured out what one of those spoilers were in that picture that we seen the other day for the BoxyCharm June base box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on those spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing BoxyCharm possible future spoilers. Well, thank you so much. Amber, is it Malinich Olsen? I've already tried to say this name before, Amber. You get me every time, honey. Anyways, Amber says, thanks for the video. Stay safe and healthy. Well, Amber, honey, thank you so much. I'm doing just as good as I can on that one. And I hope you're doing the same, and I hope you're trying to stay busy, keeping your mind busy. Don't let this thing get to you, girl. We're almost through it. And Amber, I really appreciate you having your bell on, honey. Thank you so much. And thank you for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first of all, we seen this picture the other day, and we seen a couple of things on here that we haven't already seen. It was those lip liners and also those lip crayons right there. Well, the lip crayons have been revealed. They are the Pop Sugar Sweet STX Satin Matte Lip Colors. Now the shades may vary on that, and I'm pretty sure they will because it's showing a couple different shades here. But now we just need to find out what lip liners those are. Did I say eyeliner a while ago? They're lip liners. But if you do know what brand of lip liner that is, let us know down in the comment section so we can go ahead and be nosy and go ahead and reveal it to everybody so we don't have to keep wondering about this crap. But anyways, guys, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Kim Arnold. Kim says, I love Amika. The hair products are freaking amazing. Well, Kim, thank you so much, honey, for the mini review. I'm going to have to try some of that Amika hair products because, girl, mine is dry as a bone and withering away. So I really appreciate you letting me know that Amika's got really good products. And I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. They do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. One more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on that way you don't miss another upload of mine, you'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.